Just 2 days ago, on the 14th September, last Sunday, we all gathered at the Communical Center to give thanks to Almighty God for the peace, safety we have enjoyed in Rivers State for the past 6 months. That thanksgiving was significant. It reminded us that without God's grace and the resilience of our people, this journey under my administration would have been impossible. Today's public lecture is more than an intellectual exercise. It is in truth covenant renewal with the people of Rivers State, an affirmation that democracy must deliver and that governance must always be rooted in service. Standing before you, I am filled with gratitude and humility. Gratitude for the trust and support you gave me as your administrator, and humility that I was called to serve at such a time, such a defining moment in the history of this great state. When we began this assignment on March 18, 2025, our core mandate was to restore peace and stability. By the grace of God, and with the cooperation of all stakeholders, we have come this far. Most significantly, we peacefully conducted the local government council elections, restoring democratic governance to the grassroots, the level of government closest to the people. Emergency rule was never a choice. It was a necessity forced upon us by insecurity, political impasse, and a breakdown of trust. Yet, in hindsight, it offered us enduring lessons. That peace is priceless. Without security, no other aspiration is possible. That when governance is weakened, opportunism fills the vacuum, endangering lives and livelihoods, and that the indomitable spirit of Rivers people cannot be broken. They endured, they persevered, and have remained steadfast. The stability we have restored is the foundation upon which democracy must now be rebuilt. Our guest speaker has done justice to the theme of the lecture, good governance and democratic dividends. I will not attempt to delve into the subject and distort his well-researched submission. Thank you, Prof. And thank you very much for the beautiful submission. And I may advise that we get copies of his lecture and make sure they go around. My role here, therefore, is to once again offer my sincere gratitude to my dear people of Rivers State for all that we have worked hard together to achieve in the last 6 months. The support has been most humbling and overwhelming I will remain eternally grateful to you all. I plead with you all to rededicate yourselves to our collective destiny, one ordained by God. I charge all of us to place Rivers State above personal ambition, to commit to tolerance, forgiveness, and reconciliation, to consciously work at building trust amongst each other, and to ensure that the dividends of democracy reach every household. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Rivers State has been stabilized under extraordinary circumstances. Much remains to be done, but the foundations have been laid. Let's build on it. Let us prove to the world that Rivers State, the treasure base of the nation, can also be the model of good governance in Nigeria. May God bless Rivers State. May God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you all.